3, 2, 1, drop it.
How's it going, everyone? We've finally arrived. So it's been a while in the making, but it took a long time for this to arrive, you know? Finally got my new keyboard. So I've been waiting to get this since about April, March, and then back when the whole COVID scare kind of started. And you know, it went out of stock initially, but I thought on my birthday I'd pre-order it just so it comes in, and it's finally in. So it is from mechanicalkeyboards.com. It was the only place I could find that seller. So in the UK, everywhere was sold out. But without further ado, let's take this out of the box. It's got a nice pink and white box theme. Pretty nice going, but also, what do you guys think of the new lighting? Just moved into the new place. I'll do a room tour pretty soon, just once I got everything set up. I'll show a little snippet of how it was when I first moved here. It was only yesterday, but so much to do. But yeah, this box looks pretty neat. It's got some nice Sakura designs on the front, some MIYA right there. It's a collab of Ducky and Varmilo. But yeah, I think it'll be pretty nice. I've been really excited to open this up. So, I'm finally going to open this box up, but first thing I'd like to point out right here is the kanji for Sakura, which means cherry blossom. But without further ado, let's get this guy opened. Alright, let's get into the typing test.
I
haven't played in a while. Let's try this. Oh. Minus my aim being trash, the keyboards feel nice. Okay, the keyboard. Could do better, but improvements. No. Well, that's it from me today for this review. Thank you for watching if you did. I'm pretty happy with this purchase, to be honest. I wasn't expecting to get a silent red keycap switch, because low-key the blue ones, you know, maybe next time, but you know what, adding to the desk, let me know if the quality of the sound was good in this one or not, because I haven't unpacked all my recording equipment, like my microphone and stuff, but yeah, the new place is pretty nice. I'm very happy with it. Gonna do a room tour soon, expect that, but first of all, I'm gonna drop a Japanese video kind of in a couple of days time. I finished recording it, I just need to edit it and all that stuff, but yeah, I'm pretty happy to be where I am right now. I also hit 1,000 subs pretty recently, so I saw the community tab. Thank you guys very much for that. It does mean a lot, and you know, once again, I'm rocking a new look. Let me know what you think. More importantly, thanks for sticking around, and I do hope to see you in the next one, because I'm gonna make some more videos. I've said this before, but I did drop my Japanese challenge video, and I'll explain why in the next video. It'll be a lot more clear, but yeah, not my normal type of video, not really a tech kind of guy, but if I buy new tech, I'm gonna review it, you know, I'm gonna give my honest opinions. This keyboard I waited 6 months for, and I do not regret buying it one bit. Silent reds, they're not bad, but the blue switches, maybe? I'm thinking maybe on my birthday in April next year, I'm gonna upgrade to blue switches, and who knows where I'll end up, to be honest, but let me know along this out. Thank you guys for watching, I really appreciate it. If you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.